Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I am Dr. Bhumika. Here is what I bring to you from the world of medicine. Incidence trends and 8 risk factors of ischemic heart disease and stroke. Study finds. Incidence of stroke and ischemic heart disease are declining around the world, except for in a handful of regions, according to research in the open access journal PLOS Global Public Health. Authors find that in East and West Sub-Saharan Africa, East and Central Asia, and Oceania, ischemic heart disease is increasing, which may be attributed to 8 factors that include diet, high BMI, household air pollution, and more. The team analyzed global data from 1990 to 2019 for incidence of ischemic heart disease and stroke and for exposure to 87 potential attributable factors. The authors describe the incidence and trends at a global, regional, and national level and find higher rates of ischemic heart disease than stroke. Over 3 decades, ischemic heart disease reduced from 316 to 262 per 1 lakh people and stroke declined from 181 to 151 per 1 lakh. The increase of ischemic heart disease seen in some regions may be associated with the shifting distribution of 8 factors: a diet high in trans fatty acid, diet low in calcium, high BMI, household air pollution from solid fuels, non-exclusive breastfeeding, occupational ergonomic factors, vitamin A deficiency, and occupational exposure to particulate matter, gases, and fumes, which were determined by the World Bank income levels. The results indicate how the potential socio-economic development of some countries is affecting rates of cardiovascular disease and stroke, and that places experiencing rapid economic transitions and rapidly changing lifestyle changes may also be experiencing higher rates of disease. This study provides insight into mechanism involved and the potential for targeted interventions. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogues. Stay tuned for more such updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.